Hello, Ina and Rauno and Kari. My name is Katriina. Greetings from Keuda. We are here to demo for you for the first time. If you are a person who never went to VR environment before, we would like to demo for you how to do it and what happens. So, Ina, you are now in the on the front page of a VR environment called Spatial. So it's just an internet address that we can see here in the left up corner.
Yes, exactly.
And Rauno, our expert, could you share with us what a person needs to do to start using this spatial environment, VR environment?
Yes, most definitely I can. So now you can see the black login button, and that's where you need to go. So please press the login. And then first time users, so you can use either the or your own email, or you can log in with Google or MetaMask or Apple or Microsoft. But I always tell that it's maybe best that you use your own email. So please push the use email button, and then you put the email address which you want to use with this platform. After that, you press continue.
Yes, here we're going to use our international email at Keuda email address. So we make a character with our international office.
Yes.
Very good.
Great.
And then you create your own password, but you don't have to tell anyone about that. So keep that
Yes.
your own secret.
Yes.
And then press continue. And maybe you put that into, yeah, exactly.
Okay, so I got now an email from Spatial to my email address, and here I can click confirm my account. Yes, account
right.
successfully verified. Continue to log in. So here I again click use email. Now I have to accept the terms and privacy settings with our email address and continue. Okay, and our name could be Keuda International Office. Oh, is it too long? No.
It's okay. I think we can
There is a
edit it
spelling
later.
mistake.
Yes, there is. Thank you for noticing. International now. And then
All right.
click continue.
Maybe we have to put a little competition for a name. What could be our virtual name?
So now
What?
we're in here. So first we have to make our own avatar. So here on the right side there comes this sidebar where we can choose what we want to look like. I think we can maybe
looks
continue
good.
with this. Yes. Then we click save.
Can we stop here for a second? What
Sure.
is this place? This is Rauno. Is this like the home space now of this creature that we see? That every time when we log in as Keuda International Office, we come into this home space.
Yes, that's correct. So that's your landing page, more or less, for your private entering in. So this is the space where you come, and then you can start selecting to go to other spaces.
Okay.
And then I see there's some functionalities on the left, below, down on the left. Let's get you moving. What's there?
Okay, so here actually that points how to use your in that space. So W moves you forward, S moves you backwards, A moves you to the left, and D moves you to the right. And if when you press Shift, so then you start running and going faster. And then you have also the jump function when you push the space bar. And if you want to change the site, what you want to see, so you can also use the Q and E. And Q takes you to left, and E takes you to the right.
Okay.
Can you try some of these? Maybe if Rauno goes back, or Ina, you go back and show us a little bit.
So to go right, to go forward.
You are pressing the
letters,
double V.
W, A, D, and S. Yep. And then here I could
Jumping.
jump.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Cool.
it's quite easy to move around.
Yeah,
I would
and
say.
if you're using a mouse now, so you can also scroll with the mouse and with the roller, and then you can move into the first person. So now you are in a kind of player mode as a third person, and now with the rolling, so now you are as a first person. So you see everything from the head through the eyes of the avatars.
Yeah.
The same function is also working with the pad. So you can use two fingers to scroll in or zoom out. So that's also possible with the pad.
Yeah, and actually I'm on my laptop and I'm not using the like a separate mouse. I have here on the laptop, I'm just with two fingers, I'm zooming in and then zooming out. So it does work without a mouse, but it's more easier with the mouse. So I would recommend that.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and then there came some more information. We can dance around here. So let's see what kind of moves we have. And actually there is some thumbs up, waving. Oh, okay. Looking great.
You are just pressing the number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 of your keyboard, and it makes these cool moves.
Yes. So now it says actually done. So maybe Rauno, could you tell me now if I still want to modify my avatar, where would I need to click?
Yes, I can do that. So in the right-hand bottom corner, you can see the orange bubble with the K, and there's the space where you can go in and you have edit avatar. So if you press on that.
Okay, great.
So there you have now the options also to create with Ready Player Me. Or you can even generate with your own picture. So if you generate a head, so when you press that button, so you can take a picture of yourself, and then it's going to create the avatar with your own face.
Okay, so if I click here, create with the Ready Player Me, let's check how this looks like. So here we can choose, is it a more masculine, feminine, or you don't want to specify that? We can click that actually. And then here was the option also to take the photo, but we could continue without. And here you can choose any kind of face that you would like to look like, or you want your avatar to look like. So we can click the first one. It doesn't.
I think it's good. That's really funny that usually the first impression or the first thought is to make the avatar look exactly like you look in person, but actually I started to think like, why not make a really cool avatar like a punk rocker or whatever, something that you totally don't look like. So because here only the imagination is really the oh, that looks fantastic. Let's just go a bit have some fun.
Exactly. So here you can check the eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips. You can put what here is some beard if you want to put beard, hair, then the clothes. We can have this cool hair. No, but I don't think nobody would have this hair.
I found some designer outfits there as well. I mean, I thought that was it's really fantastic how much options there are.
I think now we look cool.
Yes.
So then we can just click next. What is this then? What does it ask us? Create a Ready Player Me.
Yeah. So now you put your email address in here, and because Ready Player Me is used by many different platforms, so then you will have the same avatar used also on the other platforms. So you don't have to create every time a new one. You can use this one when you register it now with your own email.
Okay. So here you can put the email or then continue without sign up.
Exactly.
So either one is fine. Okay, now I think it's loading a bit, no, our face.
Yeah, it's coming.
Exciting times.
Generating. Yeah, and now we can see the end result.
Yes,
Cool.
I like this.
Oh,
This is very cool.
yes, me too.
Okay. So now we're ready with the avatar, the looks. What now?
Mm.
Maybe can we explore, like, if we want to get somewhere from this own space to go explore, there I see there's this explore on the left side, or how do I go to room, for example?
Yeah, so now the options you have is that you need to know where you're going. So either you have a ready shared address where you're going, or then you go and press the explore button. It's in the left-hand
Okay.
corner, explore,
Yes.
and then you have the options to explore more spaces, and here you can see different spaces, existing spaces, and then you need to find the space where you want to go into. So for the first time, you now have to leave the space, and then you need to search for the space you want to go in. This is different than when we are pointing the people into the right space. So then they don't have to go out and they don't have to start looking for this space. So that was what I was meaning when we started to talk, that first time this avatar generation. So it's better that it's done in that space where you're trying to enter in.